Hey guys, if you are wondering why your Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 FE keep cutting out, then this might be few issues. So the first one, and this is the most probably issue. So the Bluetooth interface or weak signal. So if you are too far from your phone or device, around 10 meters, you will actually get this cutting out issue. Also, some physical obstacles like walls, bags, or metal objects blocking signal, but also the other wireless devices like Wi-Fi routers, microwaves, and other Bluetooth gadgets causing interferences. Also, the low battery on buds or case, you have to make sure that you recharge, especially both earbuds. If you are running with 5, 3%, then this could be some kind of the cutting out issue. Sometimes this could be also to the outdated firmware or software. So on the Galaxy wearable application, you have to go to the earbud settings and make sure that you are using the latest software. And sometimes this could be also the boot settings on your device. So no, not every issue might be related to the earbuds. Sometimes this issue could be actually with your phone or tablet. So what you have to do, try to simply reset the Bluetooth by going to the settings. You will have to search for something about system settings, go to the reset options and make sure that you have reset the Bluetooth settings on your device. And that's pretty much it. If you still have this issue, I will definitely use warranty